Hi guys, this is a video about ISO building, about Calamares. That's our delivery tool or graphical installation package. And there's a question on Discord. We can't have enough videos explaining to you guys if, and that's it, right? If updates come in, then you need to rebuild your Calamares. Maybe. It all depends. YAML stuff, Boost stuff, Python stuff, KPM core stuff, K packages in total. So it all matters. So just recording what we should do. Now, first off, make sure that you are on Calamares /Calamares. Okay, so be sure that you are there. Sign in. Ask for notifications, start, so you know you always get the latest info on your systems. There's a new release out, right? And we go to calamares.io. I can immediately combine it with building a new ISO, well, new Calamares, but not new ISO. Download version this and this and that. You know what I tell you to do. It's on git clone. Do a git clone with Calamares. Have a folder somewhere, and all you need to do then is git pull. So these are all the changes since last time I did a git pull. So lots of pulls and changes in languages. These are all languages, right? Languages. So English, a lot of stuff. Okay. So if there is a new version, okay, what do I do then? There is a new version, 3.245. Then the next stop is that I create a package. So you find it on the, here it is, package build Calamares. You'll find it on GitHub, right? We share everything, it's there. Now this is the one that we use, 28 ISOs use this one. I'm not gonna venture my way into something that has not been proven yet that it works. So we have a next. So it's actually the same thing. Both of them are the same, but first I'll try out with the next version, and even if there's something they ask, try out the latest Git version, so that's the latest commit they pushed. And there is another one, a dev version. So you can make different packages, right? Just name them differently. So I'll build an ArcoLinux next then with the ArcoLinux Calamares next. And if it all works and it's all fine, then it can go to the 28 ISOs and everybody can use Arco Calamares 3.245. So first is testing. Is it working? Is this working as it's supposed to work, right? So 45. That's the number from Calamares, and this is ours, -1. The first time ever I built this thing. Okay? And then I'll tell him that's just a folder. The package build has to be correct as well. That's just a folder. Voila. Save. Stop. That's it. Is this difficult? Do not think so. Then we need to update the package sums. Update package sums. What's gonna change is gonna download 3.45, is gonna make all kind of calculations, and is gonna put it in here. The sums have changed now. Now I have to do something special, in the sense that if I really want to be complete, and I should be complete, then I go to documents, I go to Calamares, I go to sources, I go to modules. I have some special things in here. I have here the desktop management main pie, I have the packages main pie, and this I don't need to check. It's just code to remove AMD if you mistakenly installed the AMD U code or Intel U code, right? No need to have it on, no need to have Intel U code on AMD. No need to have AMD U code on Intel. So that it's just if the user is confused, we remove it anyway. So close all files, thank you. Close without saving, close without saving. Okay. So now I'm gonna go for a super F5 file comparison between the main pie of this guy and the main pie of this guy. Compare. That's it. So yes, we do have Wonderland, we have LeftWM, and we don't like the GNOME session at all, in the sense that we like Xorg, but we don't like Wayland, and by default it's Wayland and everybody gets stuck. Well, not everybody, the guys on VirtualBox. And they were just trying it out, and they get, well, lost. And they go away from Linux, and that would be a pity. We have some other changes in here as well, szdm.conf there. And this is something I should take out. So formats, and now they have len. So they got rid of a few lines there. So let's follow the guys of Calamares, a little bit changing code. So it's always a good thing to check. If the Python code changes, then we change with it. But if I would use the Calamares guy, it wouldn't have Wonderland, it wouldn't have LeftWM, and it would have Wayland as GNOME. So save it is, and then another one, another file comparison. So that's one, packages main pies one, we'll level up. Packages main pie, compare F. Here I not tell them to confirm the updates. So never mind. This is the normal no confirm, but I'm using something else and need it and ask for. So that's okay. To push through the installation. And I think that's it, right? Because that's a desktop, the bulkit is there. Oh, maybe package build, you go, right, that's it. So I've done my work, that's the homework, a little bit of code, a little bit of change there. And from now on, I can start building. So build Calamares, thank you very much. And it says one or more files did not pass validity. We've changed something, remember? So update package sums again and build it. Now while that's building, I go to ArcoLinux ISO and just showing you that we have ArcoLinux D next and an ArcoLinux XL ISO next. So it's basically the same thing, but this one is going to use the Calamares next and development packages. And that's the difference between this one and this one. Mainly, it's just the packages. Same, we don't want modified like this. Where are the packages? Here they are. So ArcoLinux system config, and here it's the dev version of it. And here we have Calamares, that's not used. It's the Arco Calamares next that's used. Welcome app is not used, it's the dev app that's used. So it's all about development here. And here we have Arco Calamares XL next. So it's the same thing with packages that are under development or are new, and we want to know, is it gonna work? So we test it first on the next version. That's it for me. We just wait things and then I'll just install and everything works, then it's fine. And then we know we can, well, we tested a few times, right? This Arco Calamares next thing then. And then we know this new Calamares can be used. And it's just a matter of, I can do that work already, but I'm not gonna build it yet. Otherwise I'll overwrite my stuff, you know. So this one is the future one. Even all is well and all is checked. So that's the thing, right? Time. If all is checked, this reference and this reference, the only difference is compare the number, check, the name, check, the checksums, check, and that's one. And the debugging, you have put something else. Is it a tab? It's just a tab. Voila, save. So that's the only difference between both of them, but I'm waiting to see if it's okay to build it. And some code difference, right? Control full screen again. So view, refresh. I missed it, I think. Voila. So the only difference is the name, check, and a little bit of code that we should change up here. And if it's working all fine, I can build this one. It's already ready. The only thing I need to do is type build Calamares. Done. All right. So that's the procedure I go through every single time, every workflow kind of thing video. So if you're already in the phase where you say, I'm gonna build my own ISO for myself, my family, or for more people, then you need to really know your stuff about Calamares and keep track of things, and well, first test it out before you launch anything. Cheers.